All right, now welcome back. Now, after actually, before when we go on break, we talk about men coming from abroad, coming to Nigeria, or other women coming from abroad to Nigeria to actually marry. Now, we don't even get some kind of reports, according by which you talk, say a lot of them, when they go there, their eyes they actually open, and then they'll come divorce either the man who they marry, with the man come Nigeria, come marry them, and at the end of the day, the man they either kill them.
Yes, now kill him silently, because you know why? Once she get picking for you, the family of the lady for Nigeria go the demand for, okay, our daughter been the work, we know say she dey work, what's up, this, that. So the only thing where you go do, because if he divorce you, you go still they collect your money. So you better make it just kill you, just they collect the whole thing to himself. Or the woman kill the guy so that she go move on, she go marry. I'll tell you this smudges. The guy come Nigeria. Okay, the girl they US. She just go. Now he get her all the papers. She go US, go there. She don't they do her nursing from Benin. Go US. Don't they work for there. In the UK they hustle. He say, okay, come Nigeria. They come Nigeria. They come marry. As they come marry, he could pay me say you years I talk the same on TV. Come Nigeria, come marry. Okay, you go back to US. Make me pack my things from UK. Come meet you for US.
Oh, yes.
The girl say, okay, she can't stay with them for UK for like 1 month. They just married in a honeymoon period. As she go US, she change her address. Meanwhile, she get one done. What she they date for that side. In come after a year, you know, hear from her, no text message, no phone call. She changed everything. Even her family for Nigeria, know they pick the guy call. The parents, so they pick a call at all.
Can imagine.
He can't come Nigeria after a year. Say, mom, see what the apple. My wife, I never hear from her, I never hear. He say, I beg, my dear. My daughter tell me, say, she don't tire. Tire for 1 month where the way she can't stay honeymoon with me. My sister, the mother, now he carry, he say, I beg, hey, how much you say you buy wedding gown? How much you say will be drink? The girl mother, the girl never see the girl. This one at 3 years now. Never see the girl for eye. The mom see package the money and everything carry give her. I tell her, my brother, no collect, because now they don't give you paper to your debt.
No, stories like this.
No collect. These are real life issues.
Like
and a serious love, oh. Not be say
can imagine.
People will not know each other. So we need to
story like this
careful.
just show, say, all those marry person for me for a year.
Yeah,
or maybe I come this village, go marry.
See, 5 city girls like us, so very available.
However, darling, so that particular one enter another new one. You know, say when old school, we don't give you African proverbs, we're going to need to balance them with the one where they on ground now. Now, some scientists for this new generation don't come outside, give some kind 7 hobbies them, what you need to do if you want to make your day smart.
Hey.
Are you smarter than a 5th grader?
Are you smarter than a 5th grader? I like that thing. Yeah.
So you want to be very smart and intelligent. So scientists don't look and don't see, say, these hobbies, if you do them, you go actually be very smart. Now, number 1, play musical instruments. Now, the talk say playing playing music, say maybe on the top of the pyramid, because it help you with creativity, it help you analyze things very well, it help your language, it help you know mathematics, it help you do plenty skills of things where you not actually know, say, you fit actually do them. You say, why these now all great advantages? Some people, they argue, say, playing team, like playing sports, they actually help you too.
Yes.
So as not be saying only musical instrument, even playing sports too, they help you and they're more analytical. You go see, say, people where they even analyze sports, say, when they go analyze them for you. Person don't even need to go to school to analyze sports for you. When they go analyze how the goalkeeper not keeper and where, how the midfielder not do, you go understand. Say,
seriously, I agree with this one. I like football because of the commentary.
Yeah.
I know they actually sit down watch them, but they put them on. When they analyze how person take fall down and he stand up in reaction, you know, just get option but to like football. I not be like for football, but I like the
so
commentary.
You agree with them?
I agree. They open you up, make you day social.
I know, I like Arsenal, but no be die hard fan. I know if you go spend 10,000. But
you don't even know your
I like
team.
the word in football. Tiki-taka. I say, what is that? Until they say football, when you do the tiki-taka of this, I say, what is tiki-taka again because of football?
So you don't even know your team.
Who
when
cares?
they on pitch.
You know be person, no? Now technique.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. No, this what you do just now? Just make you remember some girls. This one, I'm a Chelsea fan. This one, say, me, I'm an Arsenal fan. Now the guy say, you know Mourinho? He say, no, Mourinho. No, I mean that one, not that one with the Yiba. No.
But
I know anything about football.
I said play instrument.
No, wait. You say tic-tac just now. So she they thought say, so you don't even know your team.
She finished me, I give her one. Now one.
TikTok. Okay, the TikTok.
TikTok. Not TikTok. TikTok is a sweet. It is tiki-taka.
Okay.
Tiki-taka.
All right, number 2. Let's say make you read anything. Now, we said document about Nigeria. Nigeria is not they actually read. No, anything really.
No.
When you say anything.
Reading
Okay.
anything.
You guys search for that.
Reading,
You guys search for that. Now, the talk say reading books. Whether say now the Quran you want to read, whether say now the Bible you want to read, that's in our children book you want to read, anything where they don't actually gather together as a book, say they help you well. It says especially they help you reduce stress, and they actually make you feel better about yourself, and they help you increase your knowledge. So read books. One day, if you did something and they ask you something about, let's say the Quran. Even you don't even need to be a Muslim for you to understand what it is. And now you analyzing it will make person see you as being intelligent. Now if he ask you question about 2 years old book, you analyzing it will make person understand. Say, this person Queen B, she gets them for there. So since she don't finish secondary school, primary school, she still remember. So that's now why they talk say read anything.
But you know, because of this age of computer, so flip through those pages, they're very boring. I don't know. But when we see pictures where they glossy for on top of that screen,
computer don't make us lazy.
Yeah, it don't seriously. Because for my house, my mom still make sure say we get library for house. But I tell you, I shall not read anyone now.
You know,
for the past how many years, I'm not sure I don't read any book apart from Bible.
Funny enough, how I even try manage even read some books.
I feel listen.
My grandpa gets one library. He gets as in just don't enter a library. So that day they like they almost every day. So when I come manage travel now, I enter, I just see the book. I say,
manage.
Because I need to travel now. I come and just now, wow, this man 1980 something books, 1970, 1920.
Which is good.
I come say, okay, may I even manage look? I don't bring one out. My guy, they read some kind of Korean novels like that. I said, really? Then I pick the book. Those I read like 3. I shock with myself. Say, so if you read book,
and it go help you. Your vocabulary go increase.
Some kind of things where you go see. Vocabulary. Like they talk, no knowledge is lost.
At all.
So you know, if you see anything inside book, they don't. When we say anything, anything.
I remember when I just started to work for Wazobia FM. When I entered here, my English was like posh, like as in I did use the consonants, I did use the voice. No, I want to tell you something. Listen. So, like few months after, my English, nothing to write home about. So I come and guys meet my head for that. So, what did I feel do? And talk say read books. He said, yes, you're here, you're speaking pidgin, but you need to read books to balance everything. And that's now why I talk, say books, they actually help you your vocabulary. Because if you see big words, you go dictionary to understand them well.
Them be.
Yeah.
But we get
all right, number 3.
We get
e-books are there. But so pictures, even as e-books are there, we still prefer pictures.
Pictures to explain better.
But
instead
they
of
actually
you to
tell
read
people,
to
say,
understand.
you need to read. Yeah. Now, number 3, you need to exercise regularly. They say occasional exercising, say they help you understand a lot of things. It say it's much more effective than say you just relax, you just sit down, especially like us where we actually sit down all the time.
Sitting down exercise now.
No, it's not.
Exercise.
It's not an exercise. See, my back, they pay me now.
Yes.
Because you know they sit down well.
It's more than that.
When you sit down, do your back straight.
Okay, but can you do that? Because
for how long can you
sitting down to
all those
are they watching that? I go watch you.
You know how many hours those queens and princes they sit down?
And they'll sit down and do
listen to what I'm saying. Some scientists don't come outside talk say sitting down for too long, say they get opposite effect and they actually hinder your brain to understand a lot of things.
You call they go down.
Yeah, so you need to mix it up. Yes, sit down for a while, then move around. Read something, and then you go balance everything, darling. So when you leave here, go and exercise.
Yes, auntie.
Your gym please.
And number 4, they say learn a new language. All those things will actually make you very smart.
Learn Yoruba.
Okay, I will. Ejo ma binu.
I don't think so. Once we learn that language. Una go here.
Yes, so they go hear me.
Okay, excuse me. Meraname Hawa.
Jesus.
That means my name is Hawa. What's yours?
Uwi.
In Hindi language. Thank you very much.
Oh, you see?
Oh, wow.
Even as you speak now, it just they ooze out intelligence from
yes,
you.
thank you.
So imagine I wanna Amaka.
Now
we don't have to speak Igbo. If she sit
Je m'appelle Amaka Okudiafo.
Je m'appelle. Now je m'appelle.
pick their phone like, hey,
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle is I can speak.
Jesus.
I mean,
No, my name is.
My name.
My name is We. Wow. We know. Okay, let's change it. Let's change it.
Okay, je suis malade.
That means you are ill.
What you know? Everything you don't know.
You don't think I'll miss one. No, me, I see there.
All right, number 5, before we actually go on the break. Number 5, they say you need to test your cumulative knowledge. Now, they always do this one all the time. I will go online because they get some kind of question and answers where they online. I they always like to answer them.
Yeah.
Whether it's in mathematics, whether it's in English, I they always like to answer 'em. And then at the end of the day, when I score 30 over 30, I'll say, "Ha, will you get brain?" So they say testing them all the time is actually very important.
Yes.
It help you learn a lot of things.
Yes.
But it's not the same
You
thing
need
with
to
the
tax
reading
the
now.
brain. You need to relax them as
No,
well.
it's different from reading.
Because
This one, you're testing your brain. Like now, maybe they put, say, what is cumulative? And then they can't give you options.
Options, and you pick.
Your
you
brain,
think 'em.
as in, they think, okay, what is
That's
cumulative?
why to play game, they're very good.
Yes.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
Like that Candy Crush. Somebody could just say, what thing you they do? If you actually know sabi mathematics, you know if you play Candy Crush, go long time, or you go they boring to you.
That one
But when
bring
you
me wait.
fit
That one
tax
bring me to
yourself-
the last point.
All right.
You need to work out your brain, and
Yes.
this working out your brain has to do with
Games. Yeah.
Like the Sudoku,
Sudoku.
the puzzle. Puzzle is fantastic.
Puzzle is
Chess,
fantastic.
fantastic. Ludo, even all those Ludo to know how to grapple
the-
person.
yes.
Snake in the ladder. I mean, snake and ladder.
ladders.
Snake and ladder.
Monopoly.
Monopoly.
Draft. Pick one. Pick two. What? Check out.
Monopoly, they make you learn how to thief.
You know, say you get the Nigerian Monopoly. You get one lady
really?
who actually, yes, she create I guess we go buy and come on top of this show and we'll go play on one of these
Okay.
days. She actually-
Ayo too, they very tax.
Ayo, yes, Ayo. That's why
Ayo.
those
No, Ayo,
videos
they
are
very
very
tax-
smart.
tax-
We
One
get
more.
Ayo for here. So now they need to learn how to
That's
play.
why Amaka na crook, because sometimes when she dey play, she don't always win everybody.
Yeah, no,
So you
she's
go
happy
know-
that one.
you
You
go
sabi
know be
trick.
Crook. Now to know the tactic of how to
Tiki
play.
taka.
Okay.
Tiki taka.
Oh, take it.
Maybe Tiana come back.
They say, for one I go tell them, say, I not be thief.
I'm not stealing, I'm
For
just
one
using
now
my
you
brain.
not be thief.
No.
Now just your brain that you dey
Yes.
use. All right, we go actually need to pass more break back to back. Now we don't give you 7 things then to make you day very smart. How many of you remember all the things where I talk?
Yes,
Number
you
one.
said no go
Play games.
exercise.
Okay, that's 1.
Play games.
Read
always.
3,
Test your
Learn more
brain.
language.
Cumulative.
4,
Yes.
Cumulative test your brain.
5.
Yeah, at least I answered 3.
We don't talk exercise, Abby.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't talk exercise. Learn more language.
Cumulative.
Instrument.
God bless your producer.
Learn instruments.
Wait. Blessing. Shebi Shantu is an
You
instrument.
don't finish now.
All right, so we actually get good listeners.
You never did that for yourself.
What's the last one?
Meditate.
Oh my God.
Meditating, very, very good.
Yeah,
Very, very good. Amaka, give me
Somebody
that.
go tell you say you know they think.
Yeah.
Say,
No, it's very good.
Some people
Meditating
say
is
no, I
very
know they
good.
think.
All right, we go actually need to back small break right about now. When we come back, trust me, we get one confirmed game for fun, talk the talk and do the do. We get one confirmed guest who go join us inside the studio, very handsome Bobo. And also we get our old school video of the day and we get Coco of the day. Now, bumper things now we get for you today.
Yeah.
If you come out, it go pain you, trust me, it go pain you.
not be
So
small.
stay with us.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.